5/16. The cover page of my PowerPoint is the date of my update. And what that allows you to do is if you see a clip of this or you see another video, it allows you to say, oh, this is information as of this date. Because as you know, in the Ramzi Khalid Ismail case, Johnny Somali case, information changes day to day. Information that was true on May 8th is no longer true today on May 10th. So you should be very aware and keeping up with the latest version, which is why I date them like this. So this is not dating the trial date, guys. You're not getting distracted. He already comes in as a repeat offender, unlike Diddy in the perception of the community sentencing guidelines. The other thing is that Ramzi is not going to get any credit for time served. Now, right now, he's running around freely with Hank, and he's bragging about that. He's having a grand old time. Well, guess what? The Korean system is smart. It knows that if it holds you, not only do they have to pay for your food and pay for your clothing, but they often have to give you credit for time served. They have to give you credit against that sentence. Well, they don't do that. And because they're not going to do that, it's going to look much different. So here we have the Diddy sentencing table, and I do explain this more in detail on my other video on the Diddy verdict. If you want to see that, go check that video out. You can also like this video if you're liking that content. But to explain this quickly, if you have no criminal history, you're going to be in this first category, category 1, for no criminal history. Diddy did not have a previous criminal history. Then, for the crime in which he was convicted of.
Taken control of Sector Echo. Sector Alpha is occupied by enemy forces.